How to install ChatGPT for Google Docs. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can install ChatGPT for your Google documents. So let's get started. So first up, open up Google Docs and you can open up any document, blank or new one. It depends on you. And once you've done it, you are good to go. After that, all you have to do is just simply click on extensions, click on add-on and click on get add-ons. And then just simply search for ChatGPT over here, and once you found it, you are good to go. This is the one that I use and I've already installed it. So just simply click on the extension and click on install and you are good to go. And if you want to open it up, click on installation, and then you have the chat gpt or gpt for sheets, and just simply click on launch. This extension works both on sheets and Google Docs, so it's a two-in-one, so you can go ahead and use it. And once you've installed, it'll open up in another tab right here in the small section, and you can start using it. So that is how you install ChatGPT for Google Docs. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.